What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Prompt Coin, also called Wayfinder, Prompt, one of the AI-driven projects making serious noise in the market right now. A lot of traders are asking, why is Prompt gaining attention, what's driving the move, and where could it be headed next? Let's break it down with fresh updates, some big news, future price targets, and whether it's safe to invest. First, the current market condition. Right now, Prompt Coin is trading in the range of 16 cents to 18 cents after a strong rebound from its recent lows around 11 cents. That's a jump of more than 40% in just a week, showing there's renewed buyer interest. The trading volume has spiked to around $55 million, which is actually more than its current market cap of about $53 to $60 million, and that tells us liquidity is flowing in. With a circulating supply of 325 million tokens out of a max 1 billion, the project still has a lot of room for token unlocks, but also enough scarcity right now to fuel quick moves. Now, why is Prompt pumping? One big reason is the broader AI narrative. Prompt powers AI agents that interact across multiple blockchains, executing on-chain strategies, helping with liquidity flows, and automating DeFi operations. Investors are piling into AI-related tokens as the sector is one of the hottest narratives of 2025. We've seen big AI tokens like FET, AGIX, and RNDR dominate the charts earlier this year, and Prompt is trying to carve out its space in that category. Let's talk about some new updates and news. Recently, there's been a buzz around Prompt because of its push toward cross-chain AI agent integration. This means Prompt isn't limiting itself to just one blockchain. It's expanding across multiple ecosystems, which opens up massive adoption potential. On top of that, whales have been spotted accumulating, with some large wallets entering positions during the 12 cents to 15 cents range. Social media hype is also on the rise, and the coin has been trending on some community boards and altcoin watchlists. If this continues, exchanges might be eyeing new listings, and that alone could push the price to test higher levels. So, what about future targets? In the short term, support sits at 16 cents. If that holds, the next resistance levels to watch are 20 cents and 22 cents. A breakout they could bring 25 to 30 cents into play, especially if more partnerships or exchange listings come in. On the bearish side, if the hype cools down and volume drops, Prompt could revisit 14 cents or even 12 cents. Longer term, if adoption grows and Prompt successfully becomes a key player in AI-driven blockchain execution, analysts say it could target the 50 cents mark in 2025, and if the bull cycle continues, even approach $1 by 2026. But keep in mind, that depends heavily on utility, adoption, and market sentiment. Now comes the big question. Is Prompt safe for investment? Here's the reality. Prompt is a high-risk, high-reward coin. The upside potential is huge because the AI plus DeFi narrative is still strong, but the market cap is relatively small, which means volatility will always be high. It's not a safe bet like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but for traders and investors who are comfortable with volatility and want exposure to the AI trend, Prompt could be worth a small allocation. Just don't go all in, set stop losses and treat it as a speculative play. To wrap this up, Prompt Coin has momentum right now. It's benefiting from the AI wave, trading volume is high, and new updates are keeping it in the spotlight. Short-term targets are 20 cents to 25 cents, mid-term targets are 30 cents to 50 cents, and long-term, if adoption continues and listings expand, Prompt could be aiming toward that $1 milestone. But remember, crypto is unpredictable, so always manage your risk.